Thanks for tuning in, guys. Now in this video we're going to be showing you all you need to know about screeding concrete, setting lines, burnishing the surface of the concrete, everything you need to know to get a beautiful flat slab of concrete, whether you're doing industrial flooring, decorative concrete, exposed aggregate, whatever the case may be. These are the skills you are going to need. Now with any decorative concrete or concrete slab, setting your falls and your perimeters are key. Now I'm setting my lines now using a screed bar for our first initial datum point. Now as we've got change of falls and pitches, we're going to be swapping down to a smaller screed bar so that we can achieve the tight falls and the tight gaps that we've got to try and fit in to ensure that all the levels are working with the correct pitches. Be sure to watch this video all the way through, as at the end we've got some bonus content. We're going to be showing you the beautiful result of our decorative concrete installation, as this is not about laying a flat grey piece of concrete. We've got to make it look like stone and rock, so stay tuned. Now some of these tighter fall areas can be quite tricky. That's why it's always a good idea when you have your screed bars to have a good varied amount of sizes, as during a decorative concrete installation we're not working with big pours where we're just trying to work to a level. We've got pitches to accommodate, we've got to try and set our concrete so it's heading to drains. So having your 1 meter screed bar, your 2 meter screed bar, your 3 meter, your 4 meter, have a good array of different size screed bars to fit every potential situation that you may have. It's now time to be switching back to our longer screed bar. Now this one is, I believe, a 2.6 meter screed bar. So for those long distances, it's a good size. You're not going to be pulling back massive amounts of concrete, but you've still got enough size there to get some serious meterage done. Now, another thing that I'd like to stress when everyone training somebody to screed is to always go around your exterior perimeters, around walls with your magnesium hand trowel, fill in all of the voids. Get yourself a real lovely line to be able to screed to, and also when it does become time to go back out on the boards and do your final burnishing, it's nice to have those areas smoothed off, ready to go. Now as you can see in this section of the clip, we've got a good experienced raker pulling back the small amount of bulk as we're going backwards. It's almost level by the time we've hit it with that screed bar. Using the magnesium ball float, it's time to pass that over the surface to fill in any grain or voids. The beauty of the magnesium float is it allows you to seal off the surface, maneuver the aggregate into a flat position without actually sealing in the water into the concrete. So it's always good practice to use this float all the way up to the burnishing stage of the concrete installation. Stay tuned now for the bonus content when you see the end result of the entire project. Here we go, guys. Now this is why it's key to get that concrete down flat and fast. If you follow the tips that we've shown you in this video, you'll be able to create beautiful examples of what's in this video. If you'd like to see the full process of this project, click on the link on your right now.